Alright guys, this is my finished product, so all I need is just a varnish. So this is it, and I hope the client loves it. The owner of this is a fisherman here in the island, so they give me a picture which is reference it. The picture was based on what they caught on fishing on the lobster. It's a unique color kind of lobster. So they send me the picture and they want the orange and light yellow or something like that, or light orange. So in case you're wondering why is it like that color, because they catched a lobster like orange. So thank you for watching guys, and hope you follow my page, share it, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. So Larry the Lobster said, see you on the next lobster.